Look at what in truth they couldn't bear. Officer Mahar put me in a snare. Protection orders to keep me mute. Campbell County, Tennessee ain't cute.
I'm going to extend it for 1 year or 5, depending on that conduct. Did that conduct count as a violation that would be needed for a 5-year extension? Do you have some?
I have a memorandum that I drafted, Your Honor, that's for that issue as it relates to Mrs. Melissa. And I can't really find any Tennessee case law that's on point. I think when you look to I think Mr. Mahar's argument is that she is posting videos on Facebook that are annoying and slander or libelous. What she is posting on her YouTube channel is not, it's intended for public viewing, not Mr. Mahar's viewing. It's not direct contact. It's not indirect contact. If you look at the tabs on her YouTube channel, she doesn't even name him by name. I did find, and in the brief, you can see a Georgia case from their Supreme Court that sort of addresses this exact issue. And in that case, the court made the distinction that posting content, which is arguably, not really even arguably, is protected by free speech, that is not directed towards Mr. Mahar, that is put out there for public consumption, is different than direct contact. So that's my argument as it relates to that. It's more fully set out in the brief. But I think that there's a difference between posting a video, not tagging Mr. Mahar, or even using his name, than directly contacting him, which Mr. Mahar admitted that she has not directly contacted him.
But he's in the video, correct?
He is in the video,
okay.
Which I think these videos were taken prior to the order being granted, and that is no different than the news.
But they were modified and reposted.
They were not modified and reposted.
Yes, sir.
Well, they were, but that information was already out there before the order was granted.
Your Honor, if I may, she is saying that it is not directed towards me. She's not using my name. She's not coming at me. The video that is pinned, that is still on her Facebook, I apologize about my language, is my picture. Pussy cop files for order of protection. That's not directed towards me. I don't know what is.
And, Your Honor, when Mr. Mahar filed his order of protection, he could have asked in the order of protection that she be restrained from posting content on Facebook. I do think that you have a First Amendment issue there, because that would be considered a prior restraint. She is a person talking about a public official. That is a matter of public concern. She doesn't threaten him in any of the videos. Of course, the language is not great, but nothing in the videos. Mr. Mahar was asked about that on Monday, and his words were, "There has not been a violation of the order of protection." Those were his words, not mine.
That I could get prosecuted. My word was she was taking videos that has went after my career and my freedom by accusing me of committing crimes that I did not commit. She has took those videos, she has reposted those videos, she has re-edited her voice on those videos. That is a new video.
And as ugly as the First Amendment can be at sometimes, that is her right to do it. I don't think she's directly contacting Mr. Mahar. Certainly, I think he would have some sort of remedy in civil court, but when you read the terms of the order of protection, I don't think it covers the conduct that she is doing online.
I mean, what the statute prohibits is direct or indirect conduct. And my ruling, and I will put this in writing, is that was intended to be indirect conduct. That the purpose of posting that was to continue to harass Mr. Mahar, which was the intent of the order of protection to prohibit. And because she has continued that conduct, I do find that's indirect conduct, and I'm going to extend the order of protection for 5 years.
Okay. Does that include posting on social media as it relates to Mr. Mahar?
Now, I hate to make a blanket ruling, but the fact that I have said that here and found that what she has done since the order of protection has violated the order of protection, I think it would be very, very wise of Ms. Siljanowski to not post anything about Mr. Mahar. And I don't know why she would. I mean, I don't know what the obsession is that she feels that she has to do that or else. I just wish she could move on with her life and leave him alone. And if a court order and the threat of going to jail isn't enough to do that, I don't know what is. So I'm not going to say she can't use social media, but if she continues to make posts about him, she does so at her own peril.
And did you say that was extended for 5 years?
5 years.
Okay.
All right. As to Mr. Shooker.
Campbell County, sky so wide. Truth is hiding, can't let it slide. Judge Jones in the shadows creeping. Oaths they took, now they're sleeping.